If you want to improve your Facebook ad results today, then this is the video that you need to watch. Watch it to the end. Implement everything that I tell you to implement and you will 100% see improvements in your ads by tomorrow. This is proven techniques and methods that I use as an agency owner at leadhouse.co.uk for my clients all the time. So number one on this list is to define your marketing goal. It's very simple. Most business owners and people running Facebook ads, especially people who are new to Facebook ads, skip this step entirely and they just go off on a tangent, and that's why they get such terrible results. So the first thing that you need to do is define your marketing goals. What does that actually mean? Well, it's very simple. When I say define your marketing goal, you're asking yourself a couple of questions. What do you actually want from Facebook ads? Do you want sales or do you want leads? I really wouldn't recommend going for traffic or anything like that unless you're doing something more advanced or there's a specific reason to do so. Most businesses ultimately want more sales or they want more leads. So choose which one you are optimizing for. The next question for your marketing goals is, what is your monthly budget? It's a very simple question, but again, lots of new marketers and new businesses using Facebook don't define this early. They think, I want to see what kind of results I'm going to get, and then maybe I'll scale a little bit, or maybe I'll spend more this week or that week. Forget about all of that. Set a monthly budget that you are prepared to spend on Facebook ads to see what results you can get with that. So usually you will run these campaigns as a daily budget. So think about how much you want to spend, how much you can, and how much you're willing to spend per day on your Facebook ads. I'd recommend a minimum of £1,000 per month. You don't have to do that, but that is a good starting point for Facebook ads. And finally, for your marketing goals, you need to decide or identify what is your best product or offer. So if you've already been running ads, which I hope you have, if you're watching this video and you're looking to improve them, just look at your results and decide which one of your products or offers or ads is performing the best, because you're going to be using it in the campaigns that I'm going to show you shortly. So the second point, again, extremely simple, but it's something that so many clients just miss. And I'm going to show you an example ad account in a minute to show you what I mean. But the second point is simply to optimize for the result that you want. This means if you want sales, you optimize for purchase conversions. If you want leads, you optimize for leads, either website leads or instant form leads. It really is that simple. I'm not going to harp on about it. The third thing for improving your results right now is to simplify your ad account structures. So this is something that Facebook recommends with their Performance 5, and it's something that I do every single time I take on a new client or I have a one-on-one consultation with a client. Businesses and people new to Facebook ads seem to always have really complicated ad accounts, multiple campaigns, optimizing for different strange optimizations that they don't actually want, and it just means that your results suffer as a consequence. So let me show you inside an example ad account, a prime example of a terribly structured ad account. Just want to take a quick moment here to let you know about our done for you Facebook advertising services. So at leadhouse.co.uk, which is my ad agency, we're currently taking on new clients for Facebook and Instagram ads. So if you're spending over £2,000 per month and you're looking for someone, i.e. me, to completely optimize and run your Facebook ads for you and take your results to the next level, then feel free to click on the link below in this video. If you're not ready to have someone fully optimize and run your account for you, then maybe you will benefit from our one-on-one consultation sessions, which is a 1 hour long chat with me where we're going to share screens. I'm going to look at your ad account and I'm going to give you some serious actionable advice based on your specific industry, product, ad setup and business. They cost £197 for 1 hour directly with me. If you're interested in that, again, the link is in the description. This is an example ad account that I've built out just to show you what I see regularly when I'm taking on new clients and when I'm doing consultations. So you can see here they've got one campaign running here, which is an add to cart optimization. They've got previous campaigns that have been running for purchase, traffic, add to cart, initiate checkout, traffic. There's multiple campaigns running, and if you look inside these campaigns, you're going to see something like 3 different ad sets They're all optimized for ABO, so they're all spending individual budgets. Facebook's algorithm has less opportunity to pool the budget into what's working well. And I can imagine if your account looks anything like this, your results will definitely not be as good as they could be if you improve and simplify your account. So how does account simplification work? How do you actually do it? I'm going to show you right now. So first off, you turn off all of this mess, all of this nonsense, because it doesn't work. Next, we go back to our marketing goals, which we defined in part 1. So let's assume that you're an e-commerce brand. You're optimizing for sales. That's your marketing goal. Your monthly budget is 3K per month, and you've already identified your top performing ads. There might be 1, there might be 5, there might be 3. That's entirely dependent on your business and looking at what you've generated so far. So what I would do in this case, we would create a brand new campaign by clicking on create. Again, our optimization goal is sales. That's what we actually want. So we don't want to optimize for add to carts. We don't want to optimize for traffic. None of that. Sales campaign. Click continue. Now this is going to be a prospecting campaign. So you're going to name that nice and cleanly here so you can see what your campaigns are at a glance. So I would call this prospecting, and then give it a date so you know again at a glance when you launch this campaign, how long has it been running for, are the results acceptable for that amount of time, etc. You can do all this very quickly by optimizing your account in this way. So I would give it today's date, which is the 9th of July 2023. Then you're going to scroll down to the campaign budget optimization level, which is now called Advantage Campaign Budget. Same thing. You're going to turn that on. If you're spending, you decided in your marketing goals that you're going to spend £3,000, dollars, whatever, per month, then we know that you're going to be spending £100 per day. So you put in that daily budget, that gets you your 3,000 per month. We're set at this level, nothing else to do. Then we're going to jump into your ad set level. This is where you do your targeting. So as I've already mentioned, with the targeting, you want to simplify that as well. You're simplifying everything so that the Facebook algorithm does the work for you. So you name this campaign, and most likely you're going to name this broad. If you are targeting multiple countries, I would suggest taking your best performing country first and just running ads to your best performing country, especially if you have a budget below 5K per month. If you're spending more than 5K per month, you can test adding multiple countries into this one ad set. But again, if you're spending less than that, I would pick your best performing country. So I'm just going to select UK by putting in the title here, broad UK. Once you've put in the name of your campaign, you decide which country you're going to target, which your best performing country is. You want to go to performance goals. So you're going to click here and click maximize number of conversions. That's what you want. It doesn't matter if you've generated 100 sales, no sales, 1,000,000 sales. Optimize for the result that you want. And then the event that you want to select, mine's pre-selected here, is purchase, of course, if you want people to purchase. You don't select add to cart, you don't select initiate checkout, you don't select any traffic related stuff. You select what you want. The Facebook algorithm is very good at delivering the results that you want when you ask for them. So that's that part completely done. Then you want to scroll down to your audience section. In the audience sections, you want to just select your current target country. So for me, it would be United Kingdom. Then under the detailed targeting sections, again, can't stress this enough, go as broad as possible. Now you might be thinking, well, mostly men buy my product, or mostly women buy my product, or mostly 50-year-olds buy my product. Unless exclusively men buy your product, or exclusively women, or exclusively 50-year-olds, you're gonna let Facebook's algorithm figure that out for you. Because what you know and what the algorithm knows are two very different things. And most likely the algorithm has far more data to understand your customer than you do, especially when it comes to the Facebook platform. So here you're going to leave age open, gender open. You're going to leave detailed targeting completely untouched. Languages you're going to leave untouched. And then in the placement section, you're just going to leave it at advantage plus placements. Then in the ad level, you're just going to recreate your best performing ads or best performing offers in here. So if you've already been running ads and you're getting okay results, find which ads have performed the best, which have got the lowest cost per result and the most results. That's it. You're going to put that ad and any other ad that's generated profitable results in this campaign. That's it. You're then done. Your account is now simplified. So your ads manager should now look like this. All of these campaigns turned off. You've got one prospecting campaign. Inside that campaign, you've got one broad ad set. And then inside that ad set, you've just got one or two, maybe three of your best performing ads. This campaign is going to run as a CBO with your entire monthly budget ready to be spent. So daily for your £3,000 spend, that's going to be £100 a day. Your account is now simplified. This will single-handedly improve your results overnight. I've seen it time and time again. It's one of the first things that we do as an agency when we take a client on. Simplify the account, optimize for the result that they want after we've defined what they actually want. What are those marketing goals? And the fourth thing to improving your results on Facebook ads right now today is to start testing new ads. So once you've set up your campaigns in that way with a simple one CBO, one broad ad set, best performing ads in there, you're going to let that run for 7 days. Then you're going to look at the results. You're going to see which ads are performing the best, which ads are underperforming. Simply turn off the ones that aren't performing well. And not performing well can simply be defined as not profitable after 7 days. If it's not profitable after 7 days, turn it off. If that means that you have to turn all the ads off, turn all of the ads off. Make new ads based on what's working. So find which ads have got the most results. They might not be profitable, but they've got results. Then separate the elements out of those ads. So take the ad copy, take the image, really break it down, understand what is resonating with your customers, what isn't. Check your comments on your ad, check feedback that you're getting from customers, etc. Find what their pain points are and solve those problems, or deliver an ad that addresses those problems. You're going to keep this cycle going of testing new creatives. At least every 7 days you want to drop a new creative in there, which is a variation on what's been working well in the past. Trust me, if you take into account everything that I've said in this video, you actually implement it, you simplify your account, you define your marketing goals, you optimize for the results that you actually want, and you test new creatives, you will 100% get better results on Facebook ads. I hope you found that helpful. If you did, please feel free to click subscribe, like, and follow the channel, and I'll see you next time.